Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a traditional Thai papaya salad. It's nice and light but contains like the kitchen sink of flavors. So I hope you all enjoy. Also, these Daily Dozen t-shirts are available from nutritionfacts.org as well if you guys are interested. So yeah, let's get over to the recipe. So, people, this is a green papaya. And for some of you, it may be very difficult to get. I know it was for me. But I would liken the texture very much to that of a butternut squash. It has the same kind of crunch level. So if you don't have that, feel free to grate a squash, maybe even a zucchini. And then don't worry too much about the flavor because it is an unripened papaya. It doesn't really taste like anything too much. It just has a nice green kind of vegetal crunch. So I'm going to do that to a half of a green papaya as well as one full carrot. You saw that I had some green beans and cherry tomatoes. Recipe is all going to be down below, but now we're going to make that awesome spicy tangy dressing. So depending on your spice level, I'd say between 2 to, I don't know, whatever amount of Thai chilies that you want to add, and then 3 to 4 large cloves of garlic. And I don't have one of those really big Thai grinders, but I have one of these Japanese type grinders. So I'll put links to all of the equipment that I'm using down below as well. But you just kind of want to get it nice and smashed up so that it will mix really well in. I'm gonna go ahead and add in 1.5 tablespoons of date sugar as well as 2 tablespoons of a vegan Thai fish sauce. I'm gonna put all of the links of what I'm using down below, as well as around 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. And again, just like the tom yum soup that we did before, you wanna be tasting your food. So is this spicy enough for you? Is this tangy enough for you? And then adjust it accordingly. Now, the cool thing about a Thai papaya salad is they actually put everything in the mortar and pestle, and it's not that they're grinding it too finely, but they're just smashing it up a little bit so that everybody releases their flavors and then everything meshes together. So not too hard on this one, just a couple of pounds. And my dish is definitely not big enough for this. So I'm just gonna move it over to my gigantic wooden bowl. Usually this dish is topped with just some peanuts, which I've done already, but I've taken the liberty to add some pumpkin seeds as well for some nice crunch and then some good nutrition. So just give this guy a quick taste, adjust anything that you need, and the salad is done. It is an absolute flavor explosion. It is so delicious with the lime and the garlic and the chilies. And what's nice about this salad is if you prepare it like an hour ahead of time, I find it actually tastes even better because the flavors have time to mesh with one another. Anyways, I hope you all have enjoyed this recipe and will try making it. It is definitely not your typical, usual lunch salad, and it has the brightness and the pep in it to really wake y'all up this time of the year. Now, of course, this recipe is going to be featured in my upcoming Thai Daily Dozen, where I do a full course meal for you all. So be sure to stay tuned for that. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again next time. Bye!